So, welcome to Tokyo Outskirts, version 3, episode 3, chapter 3, let's do chapters. Now they're called chapters. We're in Sagamihara today, which is about an hour and a half outside of Tokyo. Okay, that was it. That's the intro. Okay, we did it. We did the intro. So this is Sagamihara. Bet you didn't expect to have a voiceover, unless of course you read the description already, in which case, here it is as promised. Sagamihara was originally on our map because of this extensive vending machine heaven that we will see later on in this video. But first, look at this light. What a wild light. I'm not sure exactly what about this light intrigued me so much, except that it was covered by the trees, so you couldn't actually see it from the roads, which made no sense to me. We arrived at Harataima on the Sagamisen. The train came only about every 24 minutes, and as you could see in the intro, there were no typical gates like you'd see in other areas of Tokyo. The walk from the station was about 30 minutes, and this place is attached to a tire shop and was surprisingly crowded for how rural and far out it is. There was a huge variety of choices. Everything looked very retro. You could get ramen, udon, and soba from a vending machine. How crazy is that? There were only a couple of tables, so everyone was just eating wherever they could find space. That takoyaki wasn't that good, to be honest. This toasted sandwich was pretty good though. Either one. Should we go eat it over the table? Is it actually? It's how? Ooh, I think Michael's on that side. Oh, there they are. Oh, they just bought some. Oh, yo, I was gonna get that.
Check this out.
I was gonna get that.
I got a vintage gun. Dude, you gotta get this card. I'm waiting for the kitsune soba. This looks amazing. Dude, this is nuts.
Yeah.
There's vintage Gundam. Bro, I'm living in the 90s right now. These people live in 2020. I'm living in the 90s. You kidding me?
How's the taste? Does it taste different?
Tastes like the 90s.
Oh man, that looks good.
You can put the...
Yeah, no.
Toaster ないからさ、食パン、トーストなしでずっと食べてる。トーストした方が美味しい。
Oh no! Oh, save. Thank you, Coca-Cola. Yeah, katsudon. So here's the katsudon that I just ordered.
That's all.
No. Oh, there's more tape on it. Well, yeah, here we go. Is it this way? Or am I holding it backwards? Maybe it's this way.
Dana's gotta come with us next time.
Grab pictures here.
Yeah.
There's no cake
That'd be
here.
awesome.
She wouldn't even
This would
like
be a
it.
great place to grab pictures.
Well, I can't open it. The katsudon.
Did you see your first one?
Okay.
Do you want me to? Wait, I can either film or try to like peel it off.
Oh, you want to open it?
Sounds easier.
Yeah, do it. Go ahead. She's sort of on there. Oh, no.
No.
Ugh.
The quality footage.
Money shot.
Am I fired for making
Oh,
Alex
yes.
production team?
That's good enough. I'm going to eat it like that. Thank you. So after the vending machines, we walked around the surrounding areas. What else does this Sagamihara countryside have to offer? Well, first off, I saw this Japanese school zone sign and I thought, well, that's interesting. I gotta include that. And this shot I also wanted to include, so here it is. Anyway, there was something so engaging about this area. I was fascinated by the contrast of nothing and something. Here, we're walking around and it's just green. It felt like a town that was built around nature, not through nature. And all of a sudden, we walked into this clearing and came across this huge farmland surrounded by these small towns on all sides. We ended up hanging out in these fields for about an hour, just wandering. The air was so crisp, the weather was perfect. On the way back, we were treated with this spectacular sunset. Incredibly though, no one else seemed to be taken away by these amazing colors in the sky. I guess this was just an everyday occurrence for the people living around here. Sagamihara is pretty far out, but getting to see this sort of sunset every night is spoiling. This is why I love these areas though, the beautiful scent of fresh air and the fireworks of the setting sun. That's what I'm all about. At the end of our little excursion, we stopped in Hashimoto for dinner and look how blue the sky was. Time to end the day with great company and mediocre food. We came to Jonathan's for dinner for some reason.
Not my choice.
That
Hey, no one been to it, so.
when you brought it up, I agreed wholeheartedly
You guys
and
all did it.
excitedly.
I'm not taking the blame.
No, I don't regret this decision. None of us had been here before, so we all decided, you know what, we're in Hashimoto, Sagamihara, might as well.
It's like a fancy confused size area, I think.
But look at the difference in our foods. Like, like we did everything. We got everything. And we got the salad. So we just went to Starbucks and chilled out for like an hour. It's like 8:30. It's like 8.
Maya has to go study.
8:13. Yeah, Maya has to head back, so we're all leaving Hashimoto. We didn't really explore much of Hashimoto, but this might just be all that there is.
Oh, there's a giant like mall over there.
Oh,
It's pretty cool.
this is a really nice area
I
though.
love this one.
It may be a little too far from Tokyo for a decent.
It's not worth it.
It's definitely like a.
Oh, the vending machine place? Totally.
Yeah.
It was
Out
pretty
of 10,
nice,
I
yeah.
would recommend.
It's a walk though. It's like 25 minutes from the nearest station, and that station is pretty hard to get to. It was a good 3 lines for us all to get here. Okay, we gotta go. All right.
Bye.